Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Q&Q quartz watch. This particular model operates with a 377 watch battery, so with the Ag4, most likely the most common watch battery out there. As you can see, we have different names for this exact watch battery, so 377, 926A, Ag4. You also have CX69W, so you can use these abbreviations in order to find these batteries online. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And also, as you can see on the table, I have a pair of tweezers, I have a back case opener, and also I have a watch press, which you are going to need in a lot of cases in order to press down the back of the watch so that it stays compact, and usually you won't be able to press it down using your thumbs. So make sure to order the basic watchmaker toolkit, the watch press, and the watch batteries before actually starting to work on your watch. Now I'm going to use the back case opener, so the watch knife, in order to remove the back of the watch. As you can see, we have this extensible watch bracelet, which is very easy to flip so that I have easy access to the back of the watch. Now I'm going to place the blade in between the case and the back of the watch. Now on a lot of watches you will be able to find a small opening, so a small opening, as you can see right here, where you would place your blade. Now there are some cases just like this one where you can place the blade all over the watch, so this is going to be a lot easier. Once again, in between the two, and what you want to do is to use the case of the watch as a lever in order to push the back of the watch towards yourself. I'm going to show you how to do that. So just like this came off very easily. So here we have the stainless steel back. Now we can see the movement, and as I mentioned, this one operates with the 377 watch battery. I have a brand new one right here, and you simply have to place the watch battery inside. Make sure to find the right way in which to place the watch battery back inside, because there are different types of movements. Also, when you are going to use your pair of tweezers, make sure not to touch anything else, so only operate within your space where you have the watch battery, because you can actually damage the coil or other parts of the watch, and the movement is not going to work anymore. Now I'm going to flip the watch on the other side and make sure that it is ticking, so that is good. And now, usually when you are going to open the back of the watch, you are going to find the old battery inside. And the first thing that you can see is that we have the exact battery type name. So LR626, this is another abbreviation for the 377. And you can read this in order to go online and purchase the exact watch battery. Now you are going to have to remove the old battery, so make sure to take your time and see what's the easiest way in order to remove the old battery. You can either grab it or go little by little in order to remove it. You are going to throw it away, take the new watch battery, and just as I showed you, you are going to place it back inside the watch. Now the last thing that you want to do is to place the back of the watch back onto the watch. As you can see here, we have a small gasket, this black rubber thing. Make sure to have it placed in the exact same position as it was previously, because this actually offers you better water resistance. And what you want to do is to look at the back of the watch and find this small hole, so this small opening within the back lid, and that means that that is where the crown is positioned. So it is a little bit of extra space where the stem and crown are positioned. So it would go this way so that you do not damage the crown. And as I mentioned, there are some cases where you can press the back of the watch just like this one, but in other cases you are going to need a watch press and place your watch just like this so that you do not damage or scratch the watch crystal, and you are going to press with the other end, and the back of the watch is going to be pressed down, and voila, you are done. So guys, that is how you replace the watch battery on your Q&Q by Citizen quartz watch. Once again, this was for the 377 watch battery Ag4, but you can apply this tutorial for other watch brands and watch battery types out there as well. We have a bunch of tutorials on our YouTube channel, so if you are interested in other videos, other tutorials, watches, vintage watches, watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy it, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.